At Hometown Exterior Designs, our workers arrive on the job site prepared and on time. Our materials are delivered safe and quickly from our trusted vendors to your home, and we use only the highest quality products. Our workers are quick and efficient, which allows us to provide competitive pricing to fit your home design budget. With their many years of expertise, our workers approach every job in an effective, efficient manner that allows Hometown to maintain the reputation that has taken 30 years to build. All of our materials are prepped and prepared on-site for installation. After replacing the house wrap, installation of your new siding begins. Our crews work in teams and always use the best practice to make certain your siding lasts a lifetime, providing added security and beauty that makes your home look brand new. Upon completion, you will immediately enjoy the benefits of the installation. Not only does your new siding help decrease heating and cooling costs, but Hometown Exterior's high-quality products will help raise the property value of your home. So when you see your new siding for the first time, it will be like coming home to a brand new house.
Hi, I'm Michelle with Hometown Exterior Designs. I started this company over 20 years ago, and we're proud of our reputation. Thank you for watching the video.